Hey everyone, tech has come a long way, and now there are so many choices. It can be tough to pick the right one, but don't worry. We've made a list of the 6 best products to help you out. Check the description for more info and the latest prices. DJI Mini 4K. The Mini 4K is the latest addition to the DJI Mini camera drone series, and it is easily the best, most budget-friendly, and reliable gadget for beginner pilots. Despite its affordable price, the new DJI drone can capture 4K video at 30 FPS with 2x digital zoom and 2.7K footage at 60 FPS. The Mini 4K has got everything a beginner pilot needs: one-tap takeoff and landing, GPS-guided return to home, RTH, 4K Ultra HD video camera, and 3-axis gimbal for cinematic quality shooting, plenty of pre-programmed flight modes, and a long battery life of up to 31 minutes, all under $300. For some people, this will be the only drone they will ever need. And for others, it might be a good starting point to see if it's a hobby they'll enjoy without investing a lot of money. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is a flying, stabilized 4K by 12 megapixel camera with a theoretical ranges of 10 kilometers, way beyond what you should ever take it, and a rated flight time of 38 minutes with the included battery. The standard kits come with the DJI RCN1 controller without a screen. You use your smartphone. But you can upgrade to the DJI RC controller with a built-in display for $140. A Fly More combo option adds 2 additional 38-min intelligent flight batteries, a 2-way charging hubs, a shoulder bags, spare propellers, and a few other bits. This drone gets rave review on Amazon for its ease of uses, stability in flight, responsiveness, and the quality of the photos and video it captures. DJI Mini 4 Pro. DJI Mini 4 Pro is the successor of the DJI Mini 3, which comes with a set of pro features that the DJI Mini 3 lacks, such as omnidirectional object avoidance and tracking system. It retains its best advantage, the weight of less than 250 grams, which allows you to bypass most drone registration laws and fly without having to register. With the DJI Mini 4 Pro, you can shoot 48MP RAW photos, as well as 4K 60 FPS HDR video, and even 4K 120 FPS for slow-motion shots. It has a proper vertical mode, which if you are an avid Instagram and TikTok user, you will love. It also comes with a new and improved transmission range, allowing you to control the drone as far as 20 kilometers, whereas the DJI Mini 3 can only go at 10 kilometers. You also have the choice to pick between a regular battery, which has a flight time of 34 minutes, or an intelligent battery, which has a flight time of over 45 minutes, with a weight slightly exceeding 250 grams, which is pretty impressive. Combining all these features with its new active tracking and object avoidance system, you have one of the best, if not the perfect, travel drones you can buy right now. If you are looking for a lightweight and compact drone, like the DJI Mini 2, and you don't mind paying a bit more for advanced features, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the best drone to buy. Hit the link below to check the latest price. Hover Air X1. The Hover Air X1 is incredibly portable. It's super lightweight and folds up small, making it a great choice. If you want a drone, you can easily take it anywhere. It's also straightforward to fly. There's no need for a phone app or complicated controls. It is perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a hassle-free flying experience. This lets the drone automatically follow you, which is great for capturing activities hands-free. The video quality is decent too, shooting in 2.7K resolution and taking 12 megapixel photos, which is good enough for social media or casual use. However, you won't find things like obstacle avoidance or complex flight modes that some other drones offer. At just 10 minutes, flight time could certainly be better. But because it comes with a pair of batteries that are easy to swap out, this may not be a deal breaker. And while it doesn't include fancy features like obstacle avoidance, its sturdy plastic cage encloses the propellers, protecting them and anything it might hit, should it bump into something. Think of the Hover Air X as the Tinkerbell of YouTube drones. Holy Stone. The Holy Stone mini drone is the perfect gift for kids and beginners, offering an exciting introduction to the world of flying. This RC Nano quadcopter, designed for indoor use, features user-friendly controls and an array of fun functions that make flying a breeze. Equipped with auto-hovering, the drone maintains a steady altitude, allowing new pilots to focus on navigation. The headless mode simplifies control, ensuring the drone moves in the direction you push the joystick, regardless of its orientation. For added excitement, the drone performs 3D flips at the press of a button, providing hours of entertainment. This mini drone includes 3 rechargeable batteries, extending flight time and reducing downtime. The durable build ensures it withstands bumps and crashes, making it ideal for young users. Its compact size and lightweight design make maneuvering in tight indoor spaces easy. Finished in a vibrant blue, the Holy Stone mini drone is functional and visually appealing. It's a fantastic gift for boys and girls, encouraging creativity and coordination while offering endless fun. Bring joy to your child's playtime with this innovative and engaging flying toy. L'Oreal UBT-19. The UBT-19 mini drone is an ideal toy for kids and beginners eager to explore the thrilling world of flying. This RC quadcopter is perfect for indoor use, featuring user-friendly controls and entertaining features that make it a delightful experience for young pilots. Equipped with auto-hovering technology, the UBT-19 mini drone maintains a stable altitude, ensuring smooth and controlled flights. The headless mode simplifies operation by allowing the drone to move in the direction you push the joystick, regardless of its orientation. Adding to the excitement, the drone can perform impressive 3D flips with just the press of a button, captivating young aviators and providing endless fun. The mini drone includes 2 rechargeable batteries, offering extended playtime and reducing the need for frequent recharges. Its sturdy construction is designed to withstand minor crashes and bumps, making it durable and reliable for kids. The compact and lightweight design ensures simple maneuverability in confined indoor spaces. The UBT-19 mini drone is a fantastic toy gift, sparking creativity and improving coordination in children. Bring joy and excitements to your child's playtime with this innovative and engaging flying toy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.